Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're cooking fried potatoes, onions, and sausage for dinner. So let's get started. To make our fried potatoes, onions, and sausage for dinner, we have 5 gold potatoes. They're medium size to large. And over here we have 1 large onion. And down here we have Oscar Mayer Smokies. They're hardwood smoked sausages, and we're going to use 4 of them. So there you go. They ought to taste good. So let's get started. We'll chop these onions up and the potatoes, and we'll get ready to start frying these babies up. Let's do that. Okay, let's get rid of some of these for now. Put them aside. And we'll go ahead and slice these up. We're going to make them like wedges. Okay. Okay, we'll put them right in a bowl. Wow, that's a lot of potatoes. There you go. A lot of potatoes. Yeah, can you see them? Boy, they're nice. Now we're going to go ahead and chop our onion up. Okay, we'll go ahead and put them in a bowl. Okay, there you have it, our onions. Wow, nice. Okay, let's go ahead and get our Oscar Mayer Smokies out of the package here. Okay, let's go ahead and cut these up. Okay, they look good. Okay, let's put them in a bowl. Okay, there we have it. Our nice smoked sausages right here. Yeah, look at them. They're nice. Okay. Well, there you have it, guys. Our ingredients for our fried potatoes, onions, and sausage are, we have 5 gold potatoes. They're medium sized and they're sliced up. And over here we have 1 large onion. That's sliced up. And here we have 4 Oscar Mayer smoked sausages that we sliced up. Yeah, they're going to make it taste really good. Alright, let's get started cooking. Boy, this is going to taste good. Okay, let's set our burner to medium-high, and we'll put a little oil in the pan. Make sure you got enough for those potatoes, and let that heat up some. Okay, our pan's just about hot enough. We're going to take our 5 gold potatoes and we're going to put them right in there. Wow, that's a lot of potatoes right there. This is like an all-time favorite. You can eat this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You know, fried potatoes, onions, and sausage. Yeah, you can't beat that. This is a fairly inexpensive meal, and it really goes a long way. You can feed like 4 people without any trouble at all. Okay, let's give them a little stir. Get that oil coated on them, you know. Okay, that's better. Okay, now what we're going to do is cover them and let them cook a little bit, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. And we'll stir them, give them a flip or 2. Then we'll add our onions in and our sausage, and we'll be almost done. Pretty simple. Okay, let's give our potatoes a check here. Oh yeah, they're doing good. Wow, a lot of potatoes. Good. We'll cover them and let them go. Okay, let's give our potatoes a check. It's been about 5 minutes. Okay, let's lower our heat to medium. Okay, they're looking pretty good. Now all we have to do is cover them. Okay, let's give them a check. It's been about 5 minutes. Okay, they're getting better. They look pretty nice. Okay, beautiful. All right. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's add in our onions. Give that a little stir. Okay, if you think your pan's getting a little dry, just add a little more oil. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Okay, they're looking pretty good. Okay, let's cover them. Let them cook a little while longer and let those onions kind of get soft. Yeah, that'd be good. Okay, let's give them another check. Okay, that's looking pretty good there. All right. The onions are softened pretty good. Yeah. All right. Now we're going to add in our Oscar Mayer smokies. Yeah, hardwood smoked sausages. Put them in there. Okay, there you go. And we're going to stir them in. Okay, that looks pretty good. All right. Now we're going to cover them probably for the last time and let them get nice and hot. And then we'll give them one last stir and add a little seasoning and we'll be all set. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. All right, let's add a little salt and a little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic powder. Yeah, that sounds good. And while we're at it, we can put some onion powder on there just to get them a little more oniony, and a little tiny smoked paprika. Okay, there you go. Okay, we're going to leave them like that, and we're going to shut off our burner. And we're going to plate these up and give them a taste test. Yeah, that sounds good. Let's do that. Because this smells really wonderful. Wish you could smell that. Okay guys, there you have it. Our fried potatoes, onions, and sausage for dinner. I'm just going to go ahead and put a little more salt on top. A tiny bit more pepper, because we like pepper, and a little bit more paprika, and it's the smoky kind, so that's good. Boy, does that look tasty. Smells really good too. Alright, let's just get into a little bite. Let's try a bite right here. Alright, you see that? Wow. And the sausage? Look at that potato, how nice that is. Alright, let's just have a little bite. Yeah, okay. Boy, is that tasty. Yeah, that smoked sausage with that smoky paprika. Is that a word? Smoky? Yeah. Smoky paprika. Really tastes good. Yep, and that little bit of salt and pepper on top. Yeah, it's just like you can't beat this. It's the best comfort food that you'll ever have, I think. Potatoes, onions, and sausage. Yeah. Tastes really good. If you haven't tried these little smokies, go ahead and give them a try, because they really have some nice flavor, and they are hardwood smoked, so it really tastes good, and they're not that expensive, so that's good. Okay guys, there you have it. Fried potatoes, onions, and sausage for dinner tonight. Yeah, that sounds good. And if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Good.